One day, when you opened Facebook, there were news stories about fire incidents. Fire incidents in the Philippines increased by 13% in the first 2 months of 2022 compared to the same period last year. Building fires are common, but we can avoid them through alarms and detectors. A smoke and fire detector detects smoke and alarms the tenants of the building. Imagine, one day you are cooking food in your kitchen and your gas leaked. Did you know that a fire disaster can be prevented if you have this certain device in your house? Wondering how? To prevent fire disasters, the researchers will make a cost-efficient detector. We present to you our product, INSFIRE, an Arduino-based fire and smoke detector with a water sprinkler. INSFIRE is a combination of the words instant and fire, indicating that this device can detect fire quickly. What makes INSFIRE the best? It can detect smoke and fire directly, is user-friendly, budget-friendly, performs efficiently, and can be trusted. It can also detect LPG, methane, propane, hydrogen, butane, and alcohol. INSFIRE Fire and Smoke Detector